Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see rule 7. So rule 7 is that private members are not inherited. Private members are not inherited. Why? Because private members are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. So even if you inherit the class, you will have access only to the public and protected member of the base class. But private members are not inherited. Means if we want to inherit the members, then we can access only the public and protected member of the base class, but not private member. So how? We will see with the code. So here we will take a class bank. And inside that we have a account number. So account number is a important information. So we use private here. So here we give a value also. So here pin is this and account number is 123. So our account number is 1234561 and our pin is 9999. Okay. So this is bank and we have information about account number and pin. Now we will take a child class. So our child class is customer, means any customer. So extends bank. Now we will take a class void this. And now we want to inherit this account number. So here it is showing error. Why? See, see here in this code. This is demo 1 This is the parent class. This is demo 2 child class. And this is demo 3. This is the child of demo 2. Now we are creating the object of child class and call the fun 2 and fun 3. So this is demo 3 child class of demo 2. Okay. So we are creating the object of demo 3 and we are calling from this child reference calling function 2. But in demo 3 there is no function 2, but then also we are able to call this function 2. Why? Because from here it will go here and can inherit this method, and so that we are able to print this. Okay. So in demo 2 parent class we can inherit from child class. So these methods are inherited. But here in the private member, we are using private here while we are creating the object of customer. Now we call this disp. Now run. It is showing error. Why? Because we are not able to inherit this private method. Sorry, private variable. Why? Because private variable is not inherited. Private member are not inherited. Okay. That's why private member are not allowed in. If private member are getting inherited, then there will be no security. Like in our bank, we keep our important information. If some other customer come and can access it, means inherit it, means there is no security. If there is no security, there is no encapsulation in object orientation. So one pillar should support another pillar, or in other words, inheritance should support encapsulation. Because of this, private member will never get inherited. Because of security purpose only, private member cannot be inherited. Now see here, if we are taking public, they are also public. See, we are able to inherit this from customer class. Why? Because it is public. Okay. So this is rule 7. Now I hope you understand. Thank you. And please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and share to your friends and like my channel. Thank you.